My name is Bill Zach. I'm the product specialist for wheel loaders for Doosan. When I came into the role, I took a look at everything we offered, from the factory. And one of the things that stood out was from the dealer level, we did not have a lube system that was available to the dealers. We had to figure out a way to be able to get lube systems to our dealers. Looked at all our options with different vendors out there, and SKF came out to be the best option for us to move forward and to take a look at the different types of systems, and then start building a relationship and get systems for our machines available at the dealer level.
SKF came to us and said they talked with somebody at Doosan and had an opportunity for automatic lubrication. We've met several times with Bill Zach. We designed kits for each of their equipment. We've went through, done videos, install guides.
If the dealer knows ahead of time, they can have the system installed at port at our different build-up locations, or they can have the system shipped to the dealership. And then with the relationship with SKF and Aaron Hydraulics being the vendor and our servicing vendor in our area, AHE can come out to that dealership, install it, as well as there's an install video that if the dealer chooses to install on their own, they can install it as well.
We strive for a quick turnaround. With the help of SKF, we're able to stock a lot of the products that we install regularly. And that's something we strive for here at Aaron Hydraulic Equipment, is to be proactive and reactive with the customer, to be there for what they need. We try to be supportive for all of them, right along with SKF supports us with product lines and our inventory, so it's a win-win both ways.
It's exciting to work with a great company like Doosan, and partnering with SKF and AHE, we found a great partnership providing them lubrication services. We all agree that lubrication is very important with heavy-duty equipment, and we're very excited moving forward with this venture.
Dealers could contact them direct. Our district sales guys could contact them direct. If there was an issue, they were there immediately to solve the problems. So relationship's been good, and it just continues to get stronger.